Alright, hey guys, welcome to another video. So I'm pretty sure you guys can figure out what's gonna happen in this video. The title doesn't give away completely what it's gonna be. You know. I know. It's currently 6:50 and I'm currently awaiting delivery of it. 6:50 a.m. Keep in mind. That's why I look kind of awful. That's why I'm just tired, okay? Pretty crazy. I can't believe it. Alright, so we got the transport over there. And we're over here. So he's got to do some navigating. It's kind of goofy, but you guys get a little sneak peek. Not too much. Alright guys, before I turn this camera around, I want you guys to guess what the car's going to be. I'll have like a little voting thing on the screen. But it's just rolling off the transport now. Holy guacamole. Looks so sweet. That's all you're getting. Alright, so here it is. (2019) Volkswagen Golf R in lapis blue, a 19-inch black glossy Pretorius, and of course DSG. Which, you know, probably is gonna get a little bit of, I don't know, let's just say feedback, but DSG is a must for my driving style. And of course, it's so clean in here. And it's only got 4,500 miles too, so it's so low on the mileage, and overall, this thing looks sweet. Let's see what's in the back. We got a lot of bugs in the back too. But yeah, it looks like we got our little cargo mat right here. Look at all the bugs. Wow, this thing is unbelievably cool. Alright guys, I apologize if this seems kind of rushed. I do work actually this morning, and the car was supposed to be delivered at 7, which it was, which is awesome. And but I do work at 9, so I had 2 hours to really just make everything happen, but I really want to make this video happen, so I'm gonna just do a quick walk around. We'll talk about the car and kind of my gratefulness for owning this vehicle, and a huge thank you for you guys. So without further ado, we'll walk around the car. So like before, so this is a 2019 Volkswagen Golf R. It's in lapis blue and it's on 19-inch black Pretorius. Pretty much everything that I was looking for when I was buying this car was this exact spec. However, I would have had no problem with the 2018 model with low miles and those English Town wheels, or I forget what they're called. I don't think they're English Towns, but I would have had no problem with that spec. But I got kind of lucky, and I decided to really kind of treat myself. With that said, payments are going to be a little bit crazy, but again, you know, when in Rome. Yeah, so this is the interior. It looks really nice. Not really much different from the GTI at all. Of course, we have pretty much everything from the GTI, just a different texture right here. We get the blue LED lighting. Again, if you guys really want to see a nice in-depth review, I'll have one of those out shortly. It'll be POV style as it normally is. And then of course the interior. So we got the virtual cockpit, that big, I think 10.5 inch screen. I could be wrong on that, but I think something around those lines. But it's a big screen. It might be actually, this might be the 10.5. This might be a different measurement, but regardless, really cool. Actually, before I jump in, one thing I really am happy about, again, one of the benefits of buying pre-owned is obviously, aside from the depreciation, you get some of the things that the past owner did to the car, and one of those things would be tinted windows. And as you guys can see, especially like back here, it's blacked out. So that's a huge plus for me, because I'm sick of the fishbowl. I can't deal with it anymore. But yeah, guys, this is the front. So it is a facelift, as you guys know, totally redesigned from the past. Or from the outgoing. We have new headlights and a new bumper, and you know, some slight tweaks. Pretty much these things come fully loaded, and I'll make plenty of videos and reasons explaining why I chose a facelift Golf R, or why I even chose a Golf R in general over a lot of the competing cars. A lot of you guys are kind of expecting this car, so that definitely makes sense. But yeah, we got the black mirror caps. again, I don't know. I want your guys' opinion. Like, I really want your guys' opinion. How do you guys think about the black? Obviously the black wheels on the kind of the dark blue paint. It's not as dark as midnight blue, but it's certainly a blacked out look. But I wouldn't call it murdered out, because that would just be black on black on black, which also is a really good spec. But I want your guys' opinion, because I know people's they do the silver alloys, then they do the silver mirror caps, or it just comes with silver mirror caps and they do the silver alloys. It looks really good on the blue in my opinion. So the black is definitely something I'm gonna have to get used to, but it is definitely something I picked too, because I really want the Pretorias. And it's hard to find any silver Pretorias. You can really only get the black. Again, things that I'm missing out on is obviously sunroof, but really, that is it. I feel like a winner. And then it's obviously a lot lower than the GTI. I probably will take care of actually lowering it, but for now, this is a perfect ride height. And yeah, I mean, like I said, it's pretty identical to the GTI. Not much has changed. All the space back here is the same. We have some kind of new perforations. I don't think that does anything for ride quality or comfort or temperature consistency. But going along to the back of the car, we got pitted with bugs. Again, when this was on the trailer, obviously it was facing this way, or rearward facing. So, guys, look at those exhaust tips though. Actually, a lot bigger in person, which is kind of nice. They look big. They honestly look aftermarket, but they really fit that well. So this is going to be swapped out probably soonish. And unfortunately, as you guys saw, I sold the GTI with the taillights. The owner really wanted, or the buyer really wanted, the Euro tails. So I'm gonna have to get my hands on another set of Euro tails. However, I've done it enough where it's just an easy job for me to do. But yeah, I'm really excited. One of my I will say just now, one of the biggest buying points for this car was the virtual cockpit and the fact that I just wanted to be in another Golf. And I know you guys really like the GTI, and I wanted all-wheel drive. 110% I wanted all-wheel drive. And I actually wanted an RS5, and you guys definitely knew that RS5 meant a lot to me, because it was one of the first true sports cars that I drove, and I just fell in love with it. However, this car is more reasonable. Insurance is a lot cheaper. Car is just generally a lot cheaper. I can get a lower miles one just for cheaper. So yeah, it's really cool though. I can't wait to make videos on it. So my upload schedule is probably going to look like, I would say 2 to 3 times a week. So that's a lot better than what it was, you know, once a week if that. But I do have a job. I work on the weekends, but that's really it. So yeah, so anyway, thank you guys so much for helping me get to this point where I'm able to afford a car like this. YouTube has been a great way for me to express my car passion and make videos that, you know, I really enjoy making. One thing I want to make clear is the fact that I wouldn't call myself a YouTuber. I just really like making videos, and I really like making people happy and putting some content out there, you know, because even if my videos aren't that interesting, at least I just want to like put a smile on someone's face. If I'm doing something cringy, let me know. I just want to make people happy. So and you guys certainly have helped me out with affording this car, and I can't thank you guys enough. So with that said, thank you so much for watching the video, and stay tuned for more videos on the new Golf R. All right, peace out guys.